How do you make money online in 2024 for free? In this video, I'm going to show you how I make some extra money online for free without using any of my own cash. I do this by using free promotional offers from gambling websites such as free spins and games. I have been doing this for a couple of years now and will show you live right now how I make money online for free with this method. Before I get into it, make sure to like and subscribe, as I will be releasing more videos showing you all the methods that I've tried and tested over the years to make money online for free. So what do you need for this method? All you need is access to the internet, a valid email address, and then you need to sign up to the following websites that offer these free promotional offers. The websites are Ladbrokes, COARAL and Betfair. To sign up to these sites, you need to have your valid ID information such as your full name and address to be able to sign up to these websites. Don't worry, you don't have to put in any banking information. All you need right now is just to basically sign up to these websites, and I'm going to show you that now. Alright, cool. So the first website you want to sign up to is Ladbrokes. So this is the promotional offer that I was talking about, where you have a daily chance to win up to £100 with one free spin. Like I said before, you don't have to use any of your own cash, your own money. Just sign up to these promotional offers, make an account, and then you can spin this wheel every day. It takes about 10 seconds and you have a chance to win up to £100. I have won money previously using Ladbrokes, and I'm going to show you how much I've made. But first of all, what you need to do is you need to make an account. So click on join. I'm going to leave all the links in the description below if you're interested in joining. Just type in an email address, create your username, create a password. Then make sure your password has an uppercase character as well. Then this is the important part. You need to enter in your details as per your passport or driving license. So enter in your name, your last name, your date of birth. You can try to just use your middle name rather than your last name. You don't really have to use specific details. You can try to circumvent it by using inaccurate details, but there really isn't any point of doing that. Enter in your mobile number, address, click on email, and then create your account. So I'm just going to show you, I've already created an account, so I'm just going to show you how this works. So you click on spin the wheel, click on login now. I've already got an account here. So you want to click on instant spin, and then you want to hit the spin button, and based on where you land, you can either win free spins or you can win some money. So today I've won free spins, so I'm going to click on Lock of the Irish to claim my free spins, and then based on those free spins I possibly could win some money. So let's see if I'm lucky today. So like I said guys, it's very easy to do. Don't have to use any of your own money. This is how much I've had, how much money I've made since using these type of free spins, nearly £40. So let's see if I can increase that today. So you can see on the top left hand side it says free spins remaining free. So I'm just going to use all my free spins. Nothing there. Didn't win anything again. Let's see if I can win something on the last go. Nothing. So you don't always win on a daily basis. It's, you know, it is sort of based on luck at the end of the day. But as many people have said, the only way to win at gambling is to play for free, and that's exactly what I'm doing. I'm playing for free. I'm not using any of my own cash. So the next one is COARAL. As you did with Ladbrokes, make sure to join, create your account. I've already created my account, so I'm just going to log in. And then I'm going to play here. This is another free game, but this is from a different vendor, which is COARAL. Review, I've won 30 coins, and those coins I can use to play some free games. So I've got around 1,375 coins. I'm going to redeem that now for, let's say, 5 free spins. I'm going to choose this one. Let's click on this, redeem 400, confirm. Okay. I'm gonna play Anubis. So it's very quick. This takes me about no longer than 5 minutes a day. Just logging in, claiming my free spins. So I've got free spins there. Let's start playing. Okay, I've used the 1 spin. Press the spin. Having very bad luck today, not winning anything. But that's okay, that's the nature of these type of websites. You're not always gonna win. There's times where I've won £5 in a day, there's times where I've won 10p in a day, it's just variable. So I didn't win anything. I'm gonna just show you how much I made through COARAL. So you can see my balance on COARAL is nearly £30. So that's nearly £60 in total. Now I'm gonna go to Betfair, which is another site that I use. Again, create an account. I've already got an account, so I'm just going to log in directly, launch the ball, so I won nothing. So that's basically it. If you want to make free money online from home without using any of your cash, sign up to these free websites. All the links are going to be in the description, and I'm going to have a pinned comment as well with all the websites linked in the comment section. Click on those links, join the website, create your account, and then start playing for free. And let me know how much money you've made. I've been doing this for a couple of years, and I've already sort of proven to you how it works. I'll show you how much money I've made. Very simple, very easy. If you like this type of videos, if you like this type of content, make sure to like and subscribe, as I'm going to be releasing more videos showing all the different methods that I've tried and tested over the years to make money online for free.